Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant creativity with the best red Crayola marker on the market. Introducing the Crayola Project XL Poster Marker in red. This isn't just any marker, it's a powerhouse of color, perfect for all your poster, sign, and decoration needs. What sets this marker apart is its extra-large size and chisel tip, allowing you to create bold, thick lines or delicate details with ease. Whether you're working on a school project, crafting a masterpiece, or simply expressing your creativity, this marker delivers every time. And here's the best part. It's safe and non-toxic, making it suitable for both kids and adults ages 6 and up. Priced at just $7.73, it's an affordable addition to your art supplies. Plus, with free delivery available, it's even easier to get your hands on. So, if you're looking for the perfect red marker to make your projects pop, look no further than the Crayola Project XL Poster Marker. Get yours today and unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy creating!